Hello and welcome back to Stacey Chantal Skincare channel, or welcome here if you are new. Today we're going to be talking about jade rolling. So this is the little tool here. You can see it has a large end and a small end. These are for different areas of the face, the large end being for like larger areas of face like cheek, forehead and such, with the smaller area being good for like under the eyes or, you know, around the mouth. Just the smaller areas of the face. So a jade roller is made out of jade stone. If you're getting your jade roller somewhere cheap, then you're most likely getting a knockoff stone, so just keep that in mind. Mine is definitely a knockoff stone. You'll notice also that the stone is very smooth and very cool to the touch. That makes it really nice to depuff the skin and bring down redness and irritation. So let me list off some of the main benefits of jade rolling. It aids in lymph drainage, it depuffs, reduces inflammation, smooths wrinkles, stimulates blood flow, relieves sinus pressure, and is said to help product absorption. So I've been using a jade roller on and off for about a year now. I'll get to my conclusion at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Right now, I will show you how to actually use a jade roller. First of all, you want to cleanse your skin. Always start with a clean face, okay? Next, you want to apply either a serum or oil or moisturizer. I have freshly cleansed my skin. I've already applied a serum, but now I'm gonna apply my moisturizer and oil. I like to mix them together. So let me just do that. Okay, and so here's a little trick. Warm the product in your hands because warmth helps the products absorb into your skin, okay? So warm it up in your hands and then apply it over your skin with your hands first. You want to spread the bulk of the product around. Okay, now just leave a little bit remaining on the skin, and this is when we jade roll. Okay, so starting with the large section at the top here, we're gonna work the neck and work down, up, okay? We're gonna fight gravity, so push upwards. We're gonna start by the neck here, place it down, push up, pick it up, and then place it down, push up, pick it up. Do the same process again and again. The reason we don't want to pull back down is because you're pulling the wrinkles back down, basically. Whatever we're pushing up, you know, fighting gravity with, you would just be pulling it back down, which defeats the purpose. And then now under the chin. Now we are going to do the jaw area. So start in the middle, place down, and pull up. So with the face, you want to pull up and outwards. And whatever you do to one side, do to the other. This feels so good along my jawline. I usually have quite a tight jaw, so this is really nice to just massage it out. And so now we are going to start in the corners of the mouth here and push upwards. And now from the corners of the mouth here to your ear. And then now we're gonna do the nose. You're kind of gonna make like a check mark sort of motion. So start from the nose here, push down and up. Don't poke your eye out here. Now we're gonna do the under eyes. This is where we use the small section. Just push up like this. Really nice and cooling. And with the under eye, you want to apply very gentle pressure. So there's two motions you can do with the under eye. You could either do this motion or you can do the check mark motion again. This is where you roll up and out. So this will just kind of help to roll out the wrinkles, whereas the other motion helps to lift the under eyes. Alrighty, now we're gonna do the forehead, which is the last section. So we're gonna use the large end for this. So start between your brows here, push up, And then as you get to the corners of your face, you're gonna start to move towards the temples. This is really great movement if you notice a lot of fine lines and wrinkles on your forehead. So this just helps to basically iron them out. Alrighty, and that is how you jade roll. So the big question that I get asked a lot is a jade roller worth it? In my personal opinion, yeah, I think a jade roller is really nice to incorporate into your skincare routine. I believe very strongly in lymph drainage and blood flow in the skin. It's gonna really help to just keep our skin healthy and looking young and youthful as well. The jade roller does a really good job of that. It's a very inexpensive tool. It works really great for the skin. But in saying that also, I do believe that you can get a lot of the same benefits simply with just using your hands. Especially when it comes to blood flow and lymph drainage and product absorption. I think the hands work just as well, if not maybe a little bit better, since you can specifically like contour certain areas of the face. What the jade roller has over the hands is that it's very smooth, so you can glide very nicely over the skin and it minimizes tugging on your skin. So all in all, I give it my thumbs up. So I hope that has been helpful for you. Give this video a thumbs up if it's been helpful. If you learned anything new, comment down below and subscribe for more skincare educational videos. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you today and I hope you have an awesome rest of your week. Bye! Wishing you joy and peace.